Hi there, I'm going to show you how you can preserve double quotes inside make functions. I have deliberately disconnected this scenario so that I'm not exposing the decrypted data here. So if I open up this multiple variables, you can see that I've got some custom JSON that I'm trying to produce here. So you can see down here, I have my if statement inside double quotes. So this is always going to produce a string. But I want to change my else condition here to be a null, and a null in JSON is not surrounded by double quotes. If I retain those double quotes there, then in the else condition, so if I don't have a B2B customer, then I'll render null here, and it'll actually make the name of the company null as a string. And that's not what I want. I want an actual null value there so that it's nothing. Okay, so you'd think if you just take these away, we put our null here. So I'm using a string here because I'm creating a custom JSON structure. I'm not going to use this because that will actually be rendered as an empty value. So I need the double quotes to now appear around here, around the company name for when it exists. But when I do this and then exit the module, come back into it, you can see that make has removed the double quotes. So the double quotes are not preserved inside if functions like this. So in order to get them to stay there, we can surround our double quotes with a toString function. This will preserve them. I need to put that either side of the company name variable. So what you can see is that make has actually concatenated the string or the output of this toString function with the company name before and after.
You could type the concatenate operator yourself, but you don't need to. Make will add those for you.
So the solution when you need to have double quotes inside an if statement or similar is to use the toString function around your double quotes where you need them. Okay, hopefully that helps.